Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change sound out device on LG Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon on your remote, navigate to the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, then we can scroll down to the sound. Inside there's a sound out option, and when you enter it you can switch between use TV speaker, use wired speaker, use wireless speaker, or use external speakers with TV speakers. And there's also, actually there's no option to connect our Bluetooth device here, but you can check our next video on how to connect Bluetooth devices like speakers to your TV. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.